All right, so let me record this. Number one, we want to use example dim random generator as new random. That's example. Student Javier did dim random Javier generator as a new random. Perfect. Number two, the following we have random generator next 1 to 11, and these will generate 1 to 10. Next, we have a code say integer random 1 equal random generate dot next 10 to 100. This will give you 10 to 99. Now next we're going to learn something is we are going to swap number. This is when our one example right here. When you have the first number less than small number, second number, when you subtract you get negative number. Our application is for elementary school student, so we want to swap it. When we swap it, we need to create the integer temp. All right, we create integer temp. Then we put the second number into the first number, then temp into the second number. So let's do this right now. Okay, so right now I have a random number equal 5, and first number 5, second number 10. First we say we have integer temp is 0 right now. So here we want to be the first number into the temp. So temp is what right now? First number is here is 5. So we're going to put this first number assigned into temp. So can anybody tell me what's the number, what's the value for temp right now?
Value for int.
Oh, yeah, okay, Ben, can you just
int
yeah?
temp.
No. Ben,
Oh,
can you be quiet because I do need to record this, okay? So I do need to ask the student who are not here have opportunity to listen. So I will point student. Michelle, give me answer. Michelle,
Is it 5 by
that's
chance?
5. That's 5. Yes. All right. So because it tell you that first number right here, the first number is 5. First number go to 10. Now second number go to first number right now. So second number was 10. So 10 is going to go to 5. So what's the second number right now?
10.
All right, that's 10. So first number is 10 now. All right. So now 10 is 5. 10 goes to second number. So what's second number right now?
5.
5. Okay, that's how we swap. All right, that's how we swap. We swap, it was 5 10 become 10 5 right now. So let's practice one more time right here. Let's practice one more time here. All right, so right here, if we have first number 5 and the random number, okay, we're going to do this random number, and we're going to assign the first number into the random. So random number, so this will be 5 now. And the random number 2 was 10. 10 goes to first one, so that's 10 right now. Then we're going to assign it back, so that's 5 now. All right, so Javier, can you explain, Javier Rivera, can you explain this to every student, please?
Are you talking about the temp?
Yes. How do you swap? Can you
So
explain this? Mm-hmm.
so pretty much with the swap,
Mm-hmm.
the purpose for this is when you're pretty much like it's when you're shifting variables around,
Uh-huh.
and you come across with um kind of like you'll already have like these two variables like int random and int random 1 and int random 2. They're going to be outside of your scoop, but
Mm-hmm.
you're going to have int temp. It's going to be inside of your scoop. you're going to create that, and then you're going to use that to store one of the values while you swap the other two. So int temp, well, I'm just going to say temp. So the temp variable is going to hold on to one of the values, so you can swap the values between random one and random two. And then once you do that, swwap the value from random two to random one. And then once you have done that, then you can then apply the value from temp to random two, because you've already stored the value from temp, from random one to temp.
Thank you. So when you swap thing, like if human beings like Javier and I swap, I can put my thing to Javier. That's when I and Javier face to face. Now Javier and I are not face to face right now. I have to store in a place, temporary place. I tell Javier I put in the real Hondo College my locker. You go get it. That's how we swap. Because computer, is computer variables. They are not next to each other. They are like Javier and I right now. So we need to have a place holder. A temp is a placeholder. I put in that placeholder and tell Javier to get from that placeholder. Otherwise, the variable will be lost. Okay? All right, so I'm going to go to next question right now. Is that okay? Next question right now. Is everybody doing fine right now? Next question. And if you, after you put the image right here, image in the Picturebox, the image may not fit exactly like your Picturebox. Your Picturebox may be big, a picture small. Your Picturebox may be small. You want the larger. You want to fit exactly like this. There's a way to do that. Is here the picture box mode. Here you have to select stretch image. Stretch image. So everybody, one more time, let me ask you. So if you want the picture fit exactly to the size of your Picturebox, so what kind of mode you need to select? You need to select, there's a normal mode, there's a stretch mode. So Carlos, what mode I need to select? What size mode you need to select? Anybody?
Stretch mode.
Yes, stretch image. Memorize that. It will be on the test. So we're going to do next one right now. Okay, next one right now. So do you remember we do here we have a button like this. We have a button like this, and we want to close the program. We want to close the program. So click exit. We close the program. So what's the code we write here? Me.close. That's your that will be your that will be your application want to close. Next question. And we use a timer. We move a timer. Where can you find a timer? Timer, you find its component timer. Okay, so if you want to find timer, it's in the component. So I wrote the answer for you. You need to memorize. Next questions. We're going to fix timer right now. So if I want the timer to be 6 seconds, I write interval 6,000. Enable to true. This is what I need to write. Enable to true interval 6,000 to set a timer. Now I have timer right now. I want to close with timer, not with a button. So I need to go to the timer's tick event. So tick event. I double click on tick event. Then in the back end, I write me.close. Okay. So if you use the timer to close an application, so interval, if your interval property is 5,000, the application will be closed after 5 seconds. So let me ask you a question, anybody. So if I set the interval property to 3,000, the application will be closed after how many seconds? 3 seconds. Very good. Thank you. Thank you. Yes. Okay, let's go 11 right now. So this timer here will be closing 3 seconds. Let's take a look. Next question here. Okay. Sorry. I have an input box here. Alright. So the input box right here, the text say the salesperson's name is. So I have that first. Okay. Then, so the input box here, the input box here, my title is name entry. All right. Then my prompt is enter a salesperson's name. Okay. So if I enter my name right here, so string salesperson will become my name. Then I have lbl name.text, which is say the salesperson's name is, and so like this. Then I want to new line and I want to put the input salesperson's name. So after that, can anybody tell me what would be the answer for this? Anybody? Morgana? Do you agree with me? Yes or no? Yeah, okay, so write it down. So your answer should be that, okay? So your answer should be the salesperson's name is Xin Liu. It's okay? Everybody? Then let's continue right now. Let's continue. All right. So we want to explain why do you use a static variable, and when this variable is a global level. So private variable versus static variable. Okay, so let's talk about this right now. So for example, the total is global variable is private. Okay, but it's private. Then why we want it to be a instead of a private, and why we want to put right inside here. So instead of instead of putting like this, I would do like that. Let me show you. Okay, hold on. Instead of put like this, and what I'm going to do is I am going to just a minute, okay. Instead of like this, and I will do a instead of like this, what I'm going to do is I will not do like this. No. And what I'm going to do is I am coming right here. Okay. Then I will type like this. I'll type and I'm going to put what? Static. All right. And DEC. Oh, sorry. DEC total as decimal. All right. I want to do like that. All right. And the reason for that is so here instead of that, I'm going to put like this, okay, like I show you. Okay, the reason is the above application will keep the value of the DEC total in a memory until the program ends. It is because the DEC total is declared a class level variable. However, declaring the variable as a SIG variable inside the bit button calculator will increase the security and efficiency level. Okay, so it's actually better if you are inside the 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 procedure. Okay, that's even better. All right, so that's why our program here, we write inside the procedure level. Okay, all right, so next right now. All right, so I want you to use the following answer to let me know that how do I display the name in the Abby's picture box. So right here, I want to put the name here. This is LBL name. I want to put Abby right here, okay? And also, I want the picture box put Abby here. So can anyone tell me the code? And anyone tell me the code, please? If you take a look, and can you tell me how do I do it? Anybody? How do I put the label? How do I put the name? This one is called LBL horse. Oh no, sorry, LBL name. So what do you do? Anybody can help me? That's the code right here. Should be what?
So you would have to make an action be attached to the button that
This.
would apply a string to the text property
Do you think this will
of
be
that label.
LBL name dot txt equal to what? Abby?
Abby.
Yeah. Okay. You do like that way. All right. So
And
then,
you would have to
yeah,
have
yeah, yeah. All right. That's one.
somebody else to do it.
Yeah. Got it. And the second one we ask you to do will be here. All right. The picture. This called PIC horse. This one is a PIC horse, right? So how do you put the Abby's picture into the PIC horse?
Anyone?
Anyone?
It's PIC horse dot image equals my resources Abby.
Very good. I'm so proud of you, Jennifer. I'm so proud of you. Let's take a look at the answer
Good job.
here. Yeah. So it's PIC horse image, and so my.resource.abby will assign into here image. And oh, I forgot to put quotation. And the Abby quotation go to the task. Go to the LBL name. So if you want Rascal, how do you do it? If you want to be here, say Rascal. How do you do it? You put Rascal assigned to LBL name. Okay. Then you want my.resource.rascal assigned into PIC horse.image. Do you remember that? Do you understand? Yes or no? All right, let's study something called dialog result box. So we actually learned a bunch of a message box. We learned the message box already, but we're going to kind of upgrade to combine with dialog result box. Let me show you how do I do that. Okay, let me show you how do I do that. Okay. So we did this in our voter eligibility program right here. So first you have to create a dialog result box like this. Dim DE dialog button as dialog result. You have to say that. All right, once you say that, then we are going to go to our message box. So let's go back to our message box. Your message box, we do this already, but your message box can do yes, no. So here is your title, here is your prompt. So the message box on your voter eligibility show like this. Let me show you. All right, so what you do is you show are you registered to vote? That's the prompt. The title is voter eligibility. Okay, and you chose yes and no, and you chose exclamation. Then if then else, we don't need to worry about that. If and else. Okay, so let's take a look at the message box. The message box, one more time, this is your message box we worry about. All right, so the message box, when you click yes or no, the result you want to use it is called dialog result, because that's your dialog, yes or no, there's a result. We want to collect the result and to do what something. All right, so first let's one more time review this. Okay, this is your title, this is your prompt. You choose yes and no, but actually you have many other way to choose. You can choose okay only, yes no cancel, okay cancel, something like that. All right, so actually that's a bunch of things you can choose. Okay, so let's do this right now. Okay, we want to create this. We want to create a dialog result message box based on the message box. Okay, so this we're going to first create our message box. Okay, so I am going to copy all the things here and ask you to do like this. Okay, Control C, and so I am coming back to right here right now. Okay, I copy here. All right, so I have this message box up, and if you click OK, I do something. If you click cancel, I do something. So first I will do dialog button as dialog result. Okay, and dialog button equal message box dot show. Now I don't have string prompt, so can anybody tell me what should I write here? If I write this here, say are you sure you want to delete? Do you understand that? So that will be your prompt. And can anybody, and on top of here, left top corner, that's your title. That's your title. Can anybody tell me what's a title right now?
Confirmation.
Okay, super good. Now can you tell me what is the button I have right now? Do I do yes, no?
It's an OK button.
It's okay, cancel. Is that right? Yes, no? Okay. So okay, and cancel. Okay, cancel. Understand? And do I use exclamation? Yes. So that's it. All right. So here I don't have yes right now. I should have what? If that's okay. If this is okay, I do something else, I do something. Do you understand this? Yes or no? Yes? Okay, you understand. Thank you very much. So let's copy this thing down here and let's do the next one. All right, all these are I copy from the internet when I do work. Okay, so I'm going right here right now. Okay, so sorry. So based on these, I create a EEL. Sorry. I create a just a minute, okay. I create a dim DL button as dialog box. Okay. Now I'm going to receive this right now. So can you tell me, is this message box, what is the prompt? Prompt is whatever question, whatever the question appear over there, over here. So what should I write here right now? Can you please tell me? This is quite a lot, is that right? So probably I put dim string prompt. Okay, and can anybody tell me right now? Should be what? Or can anybody help me? The first sentence, what should I write? Anybody help me the first sentence here? All right, some people are telling me very good. Okay, we're going to do like this. All right, it's from Michelle. All right. So Michelle, do you think we need to go to next line? We need to go to the next line and do. So can anybody tell me how do I go to next line? We have these. We have these in this example right here. Let me show you. We have example from our input box. All right, from our input box, we tell you we want to go to next line, and this is how we tell you go to next line. Can anybody tell me how to go to next line? What's how to go to next line? Anybody can help me? Can
You're
type?
talking about tab,
Yeah, right here. How to go to next
tab
line?
control.
Yeah, can anybody write it on the chat for me, please? How do you go to next line? You're going to end with what? Anybody can write on the chat for me to go to next line? All right, I have Horacio write for me. Yes, perfect. Yes, that's right. All right, but very, I'm so proud of Horacio. Thank you, Horacio.
What does that string of characters mean?
All right, so let me explain to you right away. Okay, hold on. Okay, so right here we notice, didn't we notice our thing wanted to be go next line? This is one line, but here I have two line. Is that right? Two line. So after the first line here, after yeah,
I see what you mean. It's a line break. Gotcha.
yeah. So
Okay.
after line break right there, after this, then I want to say this. Do you want to replace it? Okay.
Okay, my bad. I thought we were talking about like tabbing down or something.
No.
I'm sorry.
Sorry. So we just tell you how to do line break. Yeah, I do a line break right here. Okay. So that's my string prompt. So here, remember the code start with this prompt, and title. So I am just going to delete this, and I'm going to put my prompt. Here is string I am going to put this string prompt. All right. And next is title. What's my title? Can you tell me? It's on left top corner. Can you tell me?
Confirm save as.
Yeah, that's right. So you want to say confirm save as. Okay, save as. All right. Now, what kind of button I have? Do I have okay, cancel, or I have yes, no? What do I have?
Yes, no.
That's right. I put yes, I put no. Okay? And I have exclamation. So far, okay to you? Do you understand this one?
Yeah.
Okay, let's get one more practice. Okay? Then right here, of course, we don't put okay. We want to put yes. Yes, you do something. No, you do something. Okay? We're not going to tell you the code. And let's come this right now. All right. I'm coming back right here. Sorry. I'm coming back right here to do this right now. Okay. So take a look these. All these are the thing when I using computer. These are recent thing. So I'm not going to do prompt because this is only one line right now. Only one line. So I delete it. So dialog button as a result. Dialog button equal this message box show. The first thing is my prompt. Can anybody tell me what's my prompt? Prompt is a question in here. Can anybody write it or tell me what's my prompt? What's my prompt right here? Prompt is any.
You want to save changes?
You say what?
Oh, no. Somebody just said it.
What's it? Do you want to save change? Is that right? That's a prompt. All right. Then what is the title? What's the title?
Word processor.
Processor. Word processor. All right. Oh, what is the button right now? Can anybody tell me?
Yes or no.
Yes, no, and what?
And okay. Or cancel.
Yeah, or cancel. So here you need to write like this. All right. And we still have exclamation. Is that right? So you have this if, yes, then, else, okay, then, else, okay. So here you will have another else right now. All right. Else, yes, else, no, else is cancel. All right. So we didn't ask you to write a code because that's later for more advanced. But now as introduction programming, you should understand the concept. All right. So do you understand this right now? Yes or no?